G'day trendsetters, how you going? It's Stuart here. Today I'd like to introduce you to Oregano Country Cream. I was walking around Bunnings, as I tend to do, a couple of days ago, and I ended up in the nursery section, as I tend to do. And I was just wandering through the herb section and I found this little oregano, which has just the most glorious, let's see, can you still see it? Pale olive green variegated leaves. Now I'm a sucker for variegation to start with, and I also like things that are just a little bit different. We don't use a lot of herbs, but I like planting herbs in I don't know, I guess it's a kind of a potager garden. There's plants, there's flowers, there's herbs, there's strawberries. But I got a little space here between some catmint and some iris here. And that's where I'm going to put it, and that's what we're going to do today. And here, X marks the spot. Say hello to your new home. Get a load of this. Just opened this morning. Let's go around a bit more. Ooh. Anyhow, back here. So I just got some iris. There's a bit of a daylily. They're not doing much, and some catmint. But I've got a little gap there, so it'll just spread and fill that in and walk along the edge of the path. So that'll be lovely. So that's where it'll get planted. I've got the trusty trowel, bucket of compost. Just going to work it in a little bit. Those liliums, won't mind a bit of compost around the bottom of them. Knock it out of the pot. Look at that. Job done. I'll give that a bit of a mulch and a bit of a water. Am I right? Now, in the meantime, a couple of carrots to pick and beetroot for roast tonight, which is here. One, oh lovely, 2, 3, where's the next biggest one? That one? 4. Okay, beetroot, it's just up here. Here's only a bit little one, that one's a bit better. 2, 3, I'll take that one. 4. Okay, that's tea tonight. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.